Hello, everyone. Today I have for you a Christmas thrift haul. But before we get into that, let me share with you my granddaughter Jaylee's 7th birthday get together. That way, that'll make her happy since she is one of the first people to watch my videos. Happy birthday again, Jaylee. Grandma loves you. So now enjoy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jaylee. Happy birthday to you. Yay! What is it?
What was it? Roses? I had like three fruit flags. Roses.
Let me see. Did you get a lot of stuff?
Yeah.
Wow, you did.
He was so happy last time I saw him, dude. He was like,
Look at all that clothes.
It was so hot.
Look at the drink catcher. Look at Grandma.
There was like 4.
I love you.
it was
Happy birthday. Happy 7th birthday, Jaylee. And you're going to have another little birthday party at school tomorrow? All right. Hi, Jules. Say hi, baby. Hi, my baby. Hi, my son.
I'm leaving.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye, Jenny.
Can you open that, maybe?
Bye.
He's not paying attention.
Can you open that?
Say bye to Aunt Shelby.
Happy birthday, sweetie.
What's that? Uh-oh. Are you grounded, Javen?
Let go.
Is Leo grounding you?
Let go.
Get him, Leo. Get him.
Leo, you being a... Is he in trouble? Come here, Leo. Oh, it's a good boy. Oh, it's a good boy. Have you guys ever seen a Doberman this big? Look, he's as tall as the couch. Leo. Come here, Leo. Look at.
That's a good boy.
Can Grandma get a kiss, Leo?
He's as tall as me.
He's a good boy. Oh, look at this.
He comes to Jules' crib and she puts his head on top of it.
Uh-huh.
Hi, boy. Hi, boy. Hi, boy.
Boy.
Yeah, boy.
Sit. Sit.
Good boy.
Good boy, Leo. Leo, can Grandma get a kiss? Can Grandma get a kiss, Leo? Oh, you're such a good boy. So, I've always raised Dobermans in the 80s, and believe me, I've never seen one this big.
Sit.
English, Irish, German,
Good boy.
Yes, I do.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Bumpy. Today, I have for you a Christmas thrift haul. So, let's get started. The total amount spent on this haul was $13.50. I was very lucky to go in today and find that everything in the store, and this is the thrifted store here, and it's all just holiday decor. Actually, everything was 50% off. So, excited about that. Let me show you the things that I got. I think that I got things that are, I don't know, original things. Things that I've never seen before. Okay, so get started here. These bottled brush trees. And these were $1 a piece, which were 50 cents. Look how pretty these are. And they were actually brand new. And I've got 2 of these. And they were 50 cents a piece. Okay. Next item I got. Oh my god, look. This is so adorable. This looks to me like it was handmade by someone. Because there's screws on it. There's absolutely nothing that it looks like it was store-bought. So here it says wish list, and it's got like one of those registered papers that you can like write on it. I thought it was so cute. It's all made out of wood. It is so cute. Look at this. Really cute. And I guess he put a little bit of fur on him and his eyes with this little hat. Super, super cute. And I got this for $2.50. Oh, I think he's so cute. Okay, let me see. The next item that I got, this is like wooden pieces of little Christmas. And then it has a little jar for a candle in it. And this was $2. So it was just $1. And as you can see, it has a little Christmas tree, a gingerbread man, Frosty the Snowman, and a little Santa. And it's got the little country ribbons tied here and a little bit of the raffia. So that was really cute. The next item I got, I can never find, you guys, gingerbread anything. And I'm like gingerbread obsessed. And I can never find it in the stores, brand new or thrifted. Never. So I got this for 50 cents. And it's a little gingerbread porcelain plate. It's microwave and dishwasher safe. So I got that for 50 cents. And then, let's see. And then I got this. It's from Ross because it has a ticket on it, brand new. And it's priced at $4.99 at Ross. And I paid for this 75 cents. And look, it's a Santa napkin holder where you can put paper plates on your little dessert. Really cute. I thought maybe for little, like, paper plates or something for a little dessert bar at Christmas. But that was super cute. The next item that I got, this was 50 cents. It's a little tin, and it's brand new, and it has a candle inside of it. It smells really good. It's bayberry scented, and it's made in Hong Kong. So, it's old. It's a real old tin, if it was made in Hong Kong. Yeah, but it's by Edison Vatican. It looks like it's Italian or French. So, MV, it says on it. So, okay, and then the next items that I got. I got this for 50 cents. And it's a little old Santa. Looks like it's a little ornament, but I want him, you know, as decor. I love these old Santas. And then I have a collection of the plastic Santa Clauses. And this one was 50 cents. And then this one was a little different. And this was 25 cents. But it was only 12 cents, I guess. And this one's an old one as well. Okay. And then to my surprise, I found a little wood gingerbread man. And this was 25 cents. Look how nice and big. Little gingerbread. Wooden plaque. And then, oh my God, I paid $2.50 for him. Fell in love with this old Santa. This Santa's from 2000. It's the Bombay Company ink. But look at him. It's a little Santa chef. Is he adorable or what? And I paid for him $2.50. Oh my goodness, love it. I think he's adorable. Adorable. Okay guys, so that is it. I don't think I did that bad for the price for $13.50. I think I got a lot of original cute items that I'm going to enjoy this Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.